Musik Pari.
Ya,
Ayo Pak Arif. Ayo Bu Lina delete.
Mohon maaf, saya pakai handphone mati lampu.
Ya Pak Arif aman.
apa yang mau dilakukan oleh
Trinkes, trinkes.
Saya taruh di sini apa ini?
suaranya jelas guys.
Ayo. Yuk.
Ya, one.
Belum duduk. Tunggu duduk.
Tunggu duduk dulu ya.
Kayaknya di sini ya.
Loh,
Ya, yang di sini.
pemimpinnya dong di sini.
Saya di sana. Saya di sana.
Patuh di sini.
Pakai
Ada
happy
patuhnya.
birthday.
Oh ya. Ya, Bu.
Iya.
Saya di
Yang
sini.
tetap di sini kita
Kalau
di
ada
kanan
pertanyaan,
kiri.
kalau saya kira kita berkumpul.
Berkumpul.
Kalau saya langsung
Bisa. Yang di sini yang biar kameranya langsung ke yang.
Ini senyum terus.
Miss juga ya. Gimana ya?
Patuhu mana nih Patuhu?
Ayo betul. Mana nih? Udah siap kita.
Cek sound.
Yang di ulang tahun ya, ngucapin ya.
Iya.
Tenang.
Ya Pak.
Patuhu.
Dirjennya Pak.
Iya Patuhu. Suruh duduk dulu Patuhu.
Iya, saya yang pindah ke belakang dulu nih. Saya di situ
Happy
ada
birthday.
kolamnya tuh.
Main your pronunciation ya guys.
Dengar.
Emma room tour nih kayaknya Emma. Oh iya bener. Iya ya room tour tuh. Kemana itu?
A day in my life.
Bikin vlog Emma.
Today my is having birthday gitu ya.
Keren. Klasik, keren. Aku suka.
Mau nyusul nggak Miss?
Kalau aku nggak jauh kayak di Cikarang, aku pasti mau ke sana, Miss. Kalian silaturahmi ya. Gak apa-apa seharian di sana, ini jauh ya Allah, dari Cikarang harus jam berapa ya? Nginep Bulin. Harus nginep.
Satu, dua, tiga, dua, satu.
Belum
Oke,
duduk. Sebentar.
sabar.
Nah itu saya punya. Ya di sini aja. Jangan ganggu kamu.
Taruh di depan sini ya.
Yes.
Miss, kayaknya kameranya
Kameranya
itu
kurang.
Kameranya
kurang ke bawah apa tuh? Turunin kameranya.
Kamera siapa?
Kamera Eyang. Kamera Eyang ya.
Ya.
Segini
dikit lagi.
Masih
dia?
ke bawah.
Nah.
Ada pas itu.
Duduk. Ini kemana lagi?
So I talk. How do I talk?
Just stop in front of the
Patuhu.
Like this.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very clear.
Yeah.
I will see the class
Yeah.
clearly.
Yes.
sekarang, geng.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Because I'm lucky to have Tuhu and Emma here. So I hope now finally this class will go very smoothly.
Amin, amin,
Amin.
amin, Ayang.
And we would like to say something to you.
What?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy
birthday
birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to
you.
you. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday,
Happy
happy birthday, happy
birthday.
Ayang.
Thank you, class.
Sehat
Thank you.
selalu, Ayang.
One by one.
Panjang
That's
umur,
so
Eyang.
sweet of you.
Panjang umur ya.
Yeah,
God bless you.
thanks to Tuhu and Emma, who they have warned you maybe. Yeah, my birthday was the 1st of October, Wednesday last week. Yeah, but it was it was a weekday, so no one could come. After this class, at 10:30, I have to leave because my ex-students from my former school, Akademi Bahasa Asing, are going to entertain me in one of their houses in Cirende. She has a big house there. Now she is about 70, not as young as you, because it's a long time ago. But they also still remember my birthday, so they are setting up a lunch party after class. Yeah. And
That's very great.
Tuhu and Emma will remain here because afterwards, immediately after my class, they will have the next class. So they don't have to travel far. They can remain here as long as you want. Yeah. Thank you
Yes.
very much, class. And you must organize a gathering of us, only the 20 people, yeah? Only 20 people. You just make up when you can come. Yeah.
Of course, Ayang.
Shall I begin with the attendance list?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you just reply yes, yeah. Okay. Putri,
Yes, present, ma'am.
Uni,
Oh, sakit.
Sakit.
Sick, ma'am. Uni is
yes,
sick.
yes, she's not well.
Yes.
Rahmati,
Yes, ma'am.
oh, your full name is Rahmati. Emma.
Dan
Thank you, Arif. Liga, Falyansa.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Thank you. Tuhu Wiono.
Present, ma'am.
I didn't realize itu. Sorry. Putri Ngawirabaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Sofiatul.
Yes, ma'am.
Twini Zulia.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Twini. Nurlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Hasanah.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Merianti. Rahayu Erlina.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Thank you. Atifatur.
I'm here.
Thank you. Fitri Maulidia.
Yes, ma'am.
Zahro.
Present, ma'am.
Esther.
Yes, ma'am.
Haris.
Yeah, present. Present, yeah.
Yes. The last one, Astri.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
this is perfect to who. Seperti di kelas saja. Dan I can I see the pictures of or what is
Sorry,
best?
ma'am.
Do they have to see me or
They have already seen you.
oh I want to see the faces except
Pak Tuhu beliau ke lock out ya kayaknya.
Hanya udah siap ya? Ya.
so let's begin. Now who is
Ma'am,
going
sorry.
to moderate?
Atas nama Astri udah terlihat belum, ma'am, fotonya?
Yeah.
Udah, Miss.
Ah, udah ya.
So today the moderator is
Putri, ma'am, from group 4.
I must write down the committee, today's committee. Siapa tadi moderatornya?
Putri Ngawi.
Present.
Can we start, ma'am?
Yes, sudah ditulis oleh kamu ya kemarin itu?
Sudah.
Sebetulnya saya tinggal
Ada di
nggak
sini.
usah nulis.
Ada di sini yang ya.
Yang biru.
Yang biru. Saya cari ya.
Ya, yang biru.
4.
Ya. Yes, you can begin, please.
Yes, ma'am. Let me share the screen first.
Yes.
Okay, is it seen, everybody?
Yes, clear, Miss.
Clear ya.
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, good morning, everyone. We are group 4, and today we are going to present verb tenses in context. This presentation is a part of our advanced and functional grammar with Professor Dr. Sunaryati Jayanegara. And then, before we start, let me introduce our group members. There are Esther Suryani, and then Arif Purnama, and then me, Putri Ngawirabaya. And today, I'll be your moderator for today's session. Our presentation will be divided into several parts. First, we will start with the past tense, and then we move on to the present tense, and finally, the future tense. And we will end with a short conclusion. All right, let's begin with past tense and present, which will be presented by Miss Esther Suryani. To Miss Esther, time is yours.
Can you please turn it louder?
Okay, thank you, Miss Putri.
Sudah kali.
Good morning, Profesor Dr. Sunarjati Jajanegara. I will present it about the past tense verb. Okay, the definition of the simple past tense is used to describe action or event that happened and were completed in the past. The function of simple past tense, the first one, to express a completed action in the past. The second one, to describe a series of completed action. And the third one, to talk about past habits.
Past habits.
And the last one, to state past facts. The formula of simple past tense, subject plus verb to plus verb plus ed plus object. And then next, the regular verb. Most verb and plus sample. This one, the watch. Watch the past.
Watch, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Watch, yeah.
Yes.
Watch. Diucapkannya o.
Oh yeah, watch. Yeah, watch. The past tense of watch. We add ed in the last, become watch. Look, the past tense look. Clean, the past tense clean. Play, the past tense is play. Okay. Next, the regular verbs that end in e at d. So verb plus d. For example, dance become dance. Like become like. Love become
You
love.
must Esther, you must pronounce the fine.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I repeat one more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dance become dance. The past tense of like become like. The past tense of love become love. Use become use. Okay,
Very
next. The regular verb that end in a consonant plus y, change the y for I and add ed. For example, cry become cry. Study become study. Try, the past tense become try. Worry, the past tense become worried. Next, regular verb that end in a consonant plus vowel plus consonant double, the last consonant and add ed. For example, stop, stop it.
No,
And then
stopped. Not stop it or chat it or drop it. Yeah. Stopped,
Okay.
chatted, dropped, pinned.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Stop.
Please repeat. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Stop. Chat. Drop
Chatted.
it.
Chatted.
Chatted. Yeah.
Yes, chatted, Esther.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Chatted. Drop. Pinned.
Very good.
Okay. Next. Irregular verb. Irregular verb. For the irregular verb, don't follow any rules. For example, some change a bit in the past simple. For example, meet become met, make become made, get become got. Next, the irregular verb. Some change a lot in the past simple. For example, be become was or were, go become went, and do become did.
Can you repeat that? Be becomes what?
Be become was or were, ma'am. Be become was or were, was or were, go become went, do become did.
All right.
Okay, next. Irregular verbs. Some stay the same in the past simple. Put, stamp, put. Cut and cut. Cost and cost. Next, the verb read has the same spelling but different pronunciation. For the present read, but for the past tense we pronounce read. Okay, the
Yes.
second one about past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were in progress at a particular time in the past. The function of past continuous tense, the first one to show an action happening at a specific moment in the past. The second one to describe two actions happening simultaneously in the past. And then the third one to show.
Listen,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Esther, please read slowly and correctly. Please repeat the last sentence to describe slowly, yeah?
Okay. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Repeat
describe
again. Yes.
Yeah, okay. To describe two actions happening simultaneously in the past.
Simultaneously. Not simul.
Okay.
Simultaneously in the past.
Simultaneously in the past. Okay, the third one, to show an ongoing action interrupted by another action. The formula of the past continuous tense, subject plus was or were plus verb in plus object. For example, I was reading a book when you called. They were watching TV at 8 p.m. last night.
Very good.
Okay, the third
Yes.
one about the past perfect tense.
Perfect.
Past
perfect tense.
Past perfect tense.
Yeah.
The past perfect tense is used to describe an action that was completed before another past action or point in time. The function, the first one to show which action happened first in the past. And the second one to describe cause and effect in the past.
Nah ini
Cause.
This diphthong is very often incorrectly pronounced. The spelling AU is pronounced O, cause, clause. Yeah, please remember that. Go on.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. To describe cause and effect in the past. The third one, to talk about experience, event before a certain
Experience.
Events before a certain past moment.
Certain, not certain.
Certain. Okay, ma'am. Certain past moment. The formula subject plus had plus participle verb 3 plus object. For example, she had finished her homework before dinner. When I arrived, they had already left.
Very good.
Next. Next, past perfect continuous tense.
Perfect, not perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, the past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that was ongoing for some time in the past before another action happened. The function to emphasize the duration of an action before another past action. The second, to describe a continuous action that was happening up until a past event.
Event.
Event, yeah,
Yes.
event, until a past event.
Very good.
To explain the cause of something in the past. Formula, subject plus had been plus verb in plus object. The example, I had been studying for 2 hours before the exam started. They were tired because they had been working all day. Okay, next, about the present tense. Simple present tense. The definition of simple present tense used to express habits, general facts, and permanent states. Formula subject plus verb 1, S or ES. The function, the first express habit. For example, she goes to school every day. The second one express facts. The sun rises in the east. And then express the state, I think it's a good idea. The fourth
Idea. Nah, ini semua salah. Ucapan the stress falls on dear. Idea.
Idea. I think it's a good idea.
Very good.
Express. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Express times tables. The ferry gets into Rotterdam at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Example, Mr. Adams loves Shakespeare. Bob works in Avonmouth. Okay, next about present continuous tense. Definition used for action happening now or temporary situation. The formula subject plus am is are plus verb in. The function action happening now. They are waiting for the bus. Temporary situation. I am
stress and temporary situations.
Temporary situations. Okay, temporary situation. I am staying with my cousin this week. Repeated action with always. He's always losing his keys.
Losing. He's
Losing.
always losing.
He's always losing his keys.
Very good.
Arrange. Yes, ma'am. Arrange plans. We're meeting Sadie tomorrow. Example.
Karena bukan where ya, itu is the subject we. We're meeting Sadie tomorrow. Yeah, please don't read so fast. You're likely to make mistakes. Just read slowly. No one is hurrying you.
Okay,
Go
thank
on.
you, ma'am.
Examples.
Examples. I'm reading Macbeth. It's raining now.
Very good.
Yeah, next. Present perfect tense. Definition, links past action with the present, show experience or result.
Yeah. Now, you are Esther. Yeah, you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe it's your habit, to talk so fast. Please read slowly, but well, without making mistakes. You read after me. Links past actions with the present.
Link past action with the present.
Go on.
Okay. Show experience or result.
Yeah.
Formula, subject, plus have or have plus verb 3. Function recently finished. The shop has just opened. Experience. Have you ever ridden a horse? Repeated action. We've often talked about emigrating. Ongoing stage. I've had these kids for years. Example, the visitors have arrived. We've been to Scotland twice. Okay, the fourth about the present the present perfect continuous tense. The definition describes action that started in the past and continue to now.
Yeah, listen, Esther,
Yes, ma'am.
you have the habit, Anda punya kebiasaan to put the stress on the first syllable, which is not always so. Yeah.
Okay.
For instance, definition, the stress is on ne. Describes, not describes.
Oh, yeah.
Please repeat. Please repeat slowly without mistakes.
Okay. Yeah, okay, ma'am. Definition.
Definition.
Definition. Okay. Definition. Describes action that started in the past and continue to now. The formula subject plus have or have been plus verb in. Function, the first ongoing action. I've been waiting for 3 years. The second one, repeated action. I've been going to Arabic classes. The third one, recently stopped action.
Repeat after me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Recently. Dari sini memang the stress was on the first syllable. Recently stopped actions.
Recently stopped action. Recently stopped action.
Very good.
You've been running. For example, she's been working all day. The second one, we've been living here since April. Okay, next. April. Yes, ma'am.
April, not April, but April. Yeah.
April.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, since April. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Next, about future tense will be presented with Miss Putri. Miss Putri, it's your time. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Esther, for the explanation. Now, let's continue, which is all about the future tenses. So, here, wait, yeah. The first one is about simple future tense, will or shall. The definition, we use will plus base verb to express the future. Predictions, facts, decisions made at the moment of speaking, and promises. Shall is also used with I or we in British English for formality. So the function, the first one is for prediction.
Prediction.
Prediction. The example is, it will rain tomorrow. And then the second function is decision made now. I think I'll have tea instead of coffee. And then the third function is for promise or offer. I'll help you with your homework. And then the last function is for future fact. We will know the results next week. Here are the examples. The first one is, this book will change your life. And then, will you come to my party? And then, we shall meet again soon. Okay, second is about be going to for future. The definition is used to express intentions or plans made before the moment of speaking or predictions based on present evidence. The function is intention or plan, and then I'm going to start my own business. And then the second function is prediction based on evidence. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. Ma'am, I'm sorry ya, ma'am. Ada topeng monyet in front of my house. And then examples. They are going to build a new school here. And then next example, he's not going to live here forever. Next,
Coba ya, can you stop there for?
Yes, ma'am. The third
I
one
know. In
is
bahasa Indonesia, we do not have.
yes, ma'am. Next definition, we can use present continuous and present simple to
between
refer.
A and E. Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am.
A. Julie is flying to Florida tomorrow. Julie is flying. Coba try to.
Yeah, Julie
When
is
did you
flying
stop, yeah?
to Florida tomorrow. And then
Yes,
the
all right.
example is the match starts at 3 p.m. The next
Yeah, all
one
right.
is future tense. The definition is form with will plus be plus verb A. Used for actions that will be happening at a specific future time or as part of a routine. The function is action in progress at a certain time. I'll be working at 8 to 9. And then plain or routine future. I'll be calling my mom tonight. And then another example here. This time, next week, I'll be lying on the beach. And then the queen will be arriving at 10 a.m. The next one is future perfect tense. The definition is form with will plus have plus past participle.
Will. Aduh, will. Will.
Yes, ma'am.
Formed with will. Kalau
Form-
will itu roda ya.
Yes. Form with
Yeah.
will plus have
Yes.
plus past participle. And then use to
Participle. Participle.
participle. And
Yeah.
then use to talk about actions that will be completed before a certain future times. And then the function is action completed before a specific future moment. Example, by next month, I'll have finished my project. Another example, we will have seen enough of the museum by lunchtime.
Museum. Stress on
Museum.
Z. Museum.
Museum
Yes.
by lunchtime. And then Sarah won't have completed her studies until 6:25. The next one,
Very good.
future perfect continuous tense. The definition, formed with will plus have been plus verb in. Used for action that will have been continuing for some time by a future point. So the function is to emphasize duration. Example, by December, I'll have been teaching for 10 years. Another example, I will have been reading this
Nah, nggak
book.
usah I will. Di sana kanan itu di I'll. Kamu
Okay,
harus
ma'am.
baca what you are reading. Jangan
Yes.
ngarang-ngarang.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll. Nah,
I'll.
tidak ada will.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll have been reading.
Yes, I'll have been reading this book for 6 weeks by then. They'll have been living here for a year.
Living.
Sorry, ma'am?
Yeah, repeat. Living.
Living.
Yeah, yeah.
The correct, ma'am?
Try to keep it that way.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next,
Go on.
other future expressions about be to, or be about to, or be due to. So be to is for official arrangement, like the Prime Minister is to visit Japan. And then be about to is for immediate future. The show is about to start. And then be due to, it's for scheduled future. The visitors are due to arrive at 2. And then modal verbs for future. Might, could, must, should, be sure to, be bound to is also part of future expressions. Here's the example. There might be a storm and the plan is sure to fail.
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
I think that's all for a group 4 presentation. Thank you everyone. So to wrap things up, verb tenses are really important for understanding and expressing time in English correctly. Each tense has its own purpose and helps us communicate clearly in different situations. That's all from us. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to Ma'am Sunar.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Putri. The next one is Arif.
Ma'am, excuse me, Mr. Arif has sore throat, so he cannot speak clearly, ma'am.
What's happened to Mr. Arif?
He has sore throat.
All right. He's not
So
well.
it's
Very
already
good.
changed with Miss Esther.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is someone taking his place or not?
Yes, Miss Esther, ma'am.
Oh, all right. Yes, Esther.
Sudah disampaikan tadi. Sudah
dibacakan.
dibacakan tadi.
Oh, sudah.
Sudah selesai presentasi.
Itu sudah dibacakan dari tadi. So, what are you going to do now next?
It is better that you give us some material related to tenses from
Give you what? Give you what?
explanation more about tenses.
Oh yeah, I think tenses, the English language and the Indonesian language is totally different. We don't use, which is very easy when you have to teach children. Yeah. Especially when teaching children is very complicated. And I think when you first teach children for the first classes, do not use tenses. Just use the present tense, which is actually wrong, because the present tense, indicates a habit in English, but I know it's complicated, for you. Why? The English people are very meticulous, precise, harus tepat, when especially a happening has happened before, especially in the long past tense, it is not easy. You have to use sometimes 3 verbs. Yeah. Because they want to, English people are used to knowing, excuse me, to knowing the exact time, especially using the past perfect tense, which is very complicated. Yeah. And can you follow me, class? I repeat. Well,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
the English people are used to know and to express the precise time. Tepat, waktu yang tepat, up to the hours, sometimes up to the minutes. Kita nggak punya, kan? Can I address the class? Yeah. Where is it? To the Esther.
Biar muncul semua.
Iya, muncul.
Biar muncul
Sarah.
semua. Biar muncul semua dari sini. View. Galeri. Nah, muncul semuanya. Ya. Nah. Ini yang di sini.
Iya, tahu.
Nah, yang di sini.
Ya, baik.
Ya.
Nah, I will begin.
Bahaya.
Atifatur ada, ya. Atifatur is present. Now,
Yes, I'm here, ma'am.
yeah. Can you translate the following sentence? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ali pergi ke sekolah setiap hari naik motor.
Ali goes to the school by the bike every day.
Yeah, please, I speak to you very clearly. Now you talk to me the same way, very clearly. Can you repeat the sentence, Ali?
Ali goes to school by the bike every day.
Yeah, very good. Goes, which is the present tense, yeah, which you
Yes.
use for. Can you repeat the functions of using the present tense?
The use of present tense, I use the present tense because there is one word clue, that's every day. So it
Yeah.
use
So
present
what is the function of the present tense?
to tell the current situation.
No, not itu bahasa
yeah.
Yeah, to use to express yeah
the habitual habits.
Habitual
habit yeah. An action which you use often, so for
Yeah.
instance, as a habit. Yeah, very good. Now, all right, Twinny, yeah, Twinny. Now the second sentence. I'm going to give you an Indonesian sentence here. Sebelum pergi ke sekolah, Ali selalu membeli coklat. Ya. Sebelum pergi ke sekolah, Ali selalu membeli coklat. Twinnie ya. Can you hear me, Twinnie? Ini kan-
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Prof.
Sebelum pergi ke sekolah,